But it's true that every day we receive many types of questions related to different aspects of our health. One of these is how to lose weight fast, up to 1 kilogram a day. So here's our answer. Many studies have shown that lemon helps in the process of burning fat, so the lemon diet will help you realize what you have always wanted. With this diet, you will lose weight very quickly, almost 1 kilogram a day. This diet is also known as Beyoncé's diet because the star used exactly this diet to reduce the whole 38 kilograms after pregnancy. So these are the ingredients you will need for this amazing diet. 8 cups of water, juice of 6 lemons, half a cup of honey, a few ice cubes, and 10 mint leaves. Here's what you have to do. Heat the water, but it shouldn't be boiling or hot, no more than 60 degrees. Add all the ingredients, stir, and wait 30 minutes before letting the mixture stand in the refrigerator for the rest of the day. Finally, strain the mixture and the drink is ready. Put 1 ice cube in each cup for the drink because the body consumes extra energy to warm the cold foods and drinks. Before breakfast, drink a glass of this special lemonade. For breakfast, you can have a fruit salad. At 11 p.m., drink the second glass of lemonade in combination with a few unroasted almonds as a snack. For lunch, have a boiled egg and lettuce salad spiced with olive oil and apple cider vinegar, which also melts fat cells. At 6 p.m., you should drink another glass of lemonade and a fruit of your choice. For dinner, have a grilled fish or chicken and a seasonal salad of your choice. 2 hours before bedtime, drink another glass of lemonade. Do this treatment for at least 10 days and let us know your results in the comment section below. Thank you!